NRAAM 24, Dallas, Texas. We're here with Aaron from Dark Mountain. Got a cool little rifle. I guess like a survival style.
Yeah, it's kind of in that theme.
SHTF or whatever they say.
Yep.
Tell us about this thing. Pretty cool.
Yeah, so I wanted a takedown single shot rifle, and one of my favorite cartridges is the 5.7 by 28. So we decided to launch with that, but the overall design accommodates a number of calibers, and it's built to be caliber convertible very easily. So just a bolt face swap and a barrel. You can make it into 4.6, you can make it into 9mm, and all the rim fires as well.
Wow, okay, very cool. And obviously threaded on the end there.
Threaded muzzle. I'm a big fan of shooting suppressed.
And rail, so you've got your optic, I guess, of your choice.
Yeah, the short little pick rail. You can mount a small rifle scope, like a rimfire scope, works good. But the red dots, for me, if I'm shooting really inside of 100 yards, I'm happy with the red dot.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think so. I think it'll be fine. And interesting, just single shot bolt design. So I guess to load, you just like a normal single shot bolt.
Pull that back, slam it back. It's like a 45-degree throw. And then you cock it right here. I got all the mechanism out because we're at a show.
Sure, yeah. Can't have it.
Pull that striker back and single shot.
Okay, so kind of like some of the old school rimfires or something.
I mean, like the M6 Scout, the Air Force rifle. Yeah. Of course, it was an over-under, but it was, hammer fired, all that stuff. But kind of in that family.
Yeah.
Big shout out to our friends at Gideon Optics for helping us with the trip to NRAAM. Gideon Optics offers a variety of LPBO, dot, and prism optics. My favorites are the Rock dot sighting green, which I have on my Kiger 9C Pro, and the Advocate prism sight that is mounted on my very fun to shoot Strybog 22. Gideon gives you great features like your choice of red or green emitters, shake awake technology, Picatinny rail adapters included, and all optics come with an outstanding lifetime warranty.
Now, I noticed that on the grip, that is an AR style grip. Can that be swapped out if somebody wants to go another?
Absolutely, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's a normal AR connection there. Yep.
Yeah. Man, I really like the trigger guard, how big that, look at the trigger guard.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
I mean, you can put a bear paw through that.
For sure.
So, yeah, a lot of different caliber options. I guess the individual barrels, and you said the bolt face.
Yeah, so we'll sell those in a kit.
Conversions.
Yeah. I'm super excited. This is our first product of this new company. I recently transitioned to a new business, and I've been in the industry for about 10 years. Yeah. But anyway, I'm excited about it.
We won't talk about the old company and the old products necessarily.
It's okay.
But I can say this. I can say that holding this thing, looking at this, the machine quality, the attention to detail, spot on from the other stuff that you designed and you've done for sure.
Thank you.
And this is probably going to be the most common. You spoke about that potentially.
I think so.
In restrictive state, compliant. This is probably going to be the way to go, right?
Fingers crossed. I think this is going to be California legal.
Yeah, that'll be cool.
And so we're excited about that for sure.
But in other states, if you want to go through the hassle, I mean, you've also got you could go SBR version.
Yeah, we've got a 5-inch pistol barrel that would go on just a pistol with no stock. It's a large format pistol. Or you can do it in an SBR. And then we also plan to sell SBR kits. So a shorter barrel and a stock.
So that's pretty neat. A lot of modularity, a lot of different ways you can go with this thing.
It's kind of the idea.
So yeah, very cool indeed. All right, sweet. Aaron, appreciate
Always
it,
good to see you.
Appreciate it. Going to do it from NRAAM 24 here. Bye.